Hello dear students, welcome to our chemistry class. So in today's chemistry class, we are going with one of the new topic that is about derivation of Bragg's equation. So it's one of the important topic for your long answer. So first let us see what is a Bragg's law, then we will go for Bragg's equation derivation. So we have a Bragg's law as the path difference is an integral multiple of wavelength. That means we have to divide or we have to derive, that is 2d sin theta is equals to n lambda. So this is the equation that we are going to derive, which is a Bragg's equation. So here first we will go for the diagrammatic part. So considering that the horizontal lines which I am going to draw here are a plane of the crystal. The two horizontal lines represents the plane of the crystal. So the first X-ray which is coming and incident on the first plane and it is meeting at a point O. So from the point O, the first ray has diffracted, and when we draw a normal at the point O perpendicular to the plane 1 and 2, then this incident ray of the first makes an angle theta, which is an angle of incidence, and from point O the same incident ray which is diffracted or refracted, it makes an angle of refraction as theta. So this is about first ray. Fine. So now the second ray also incident on the second plane and at a point B. So from point B the second ray has diffracted or refracted. So this is first ray and this is second ray. Fine. So the second ray, which is an incident ray, it also makes an angle minus theta as an angle of incidence, and from point B the ray which is diffracted or refracted, it makes an angle of minus theta, which is considered as angle of refraction. So from point O, if we draw a normal which is perpendicular to the ray 2, then we get a points A and C. Okay, so here OC and OA and OC are the normal that we have drawn from point O. Okay, so here this is a diagrammatic show of this Bragg's equation derivation. So with this diagram we are going to derive the equation now. So first we will consider the triangle. In triangle OAB, in triangle OAB, so we know that sin theta is equals to, so sin theta is equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So we can write perpendicular by hypotenuse as AB by OB, AB by OB. Okay, so here the difference from one plane to the another plane, or the distance from one plane to the another plane, is taken as small d. So this small d is considered as path difference. Okay, so here in place of OB I can substitute as small d. AB by, instead of OB I am substituting small d. So I can write Sin theta is equals to AB by D. So AB is equals to D sin theta. So this is the one equation I got now. So considering this is the equation number 1. Fine. So now I have another triangle OCB or OBC. So considering this triangle, so in triangle OCB, so again we can write sin theta as perpendicular by hypotenuse. So the perpendicular by hypotenuse will be BC by OB. So again in place of OB, which is a path difference, we can write it as small b. So sin theta is equals to BC by small d. So we can write BC is equals to D sin theta. So this is considering as equation number 2. So we get equation 1 and equation number 2, we got it now. So from this, already I told the small d is a path difference. So the distance travelled by the second ray through this path difference can be written as path difference is equals to AB plus BC. AB plus BC. So here we can substitute the value of AB as D sin theta plus we can substitute the value of BC as D sin theta. So here D sin theta plus D sin theta will be 2D sin theta. So this AB plus BC is a path difference. So the path difference is 2D sin theta. So from the Bragg's law, we can write that the path difference is an equal to integral multiple of wavelength. So this is a path difference, it's equal to the integral multiple of wavelength, that is n lambda is equals to 2D sin theta. So finally the Bragg's equation was derived. So here you can take n is the order of refraction, lambda is wavelength, d is path difference, and theta is Bragg's angle. So theta is the Bragg's angle or the angle of incidence or angle of refraction. So in this way the Bragg's equation derivation was n lambda is equals to 2D sin theta, that is the path difference is equal to the integral multiple of wavelength. Thank you.